Introduce highlight features and overview summary of ALORAIR LGR 180 Pint Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. ALORAIR Storm LGR Extreme 180 ppd Commercial Dehumidifier is designed specifically for flood and water damage restoration. This is a very compact dehumidifier ever produced for dehumidification restoration for easy transport and energy saving. Its stackable design can not only save flood restorer more space but also make numbers of the machine bin transported to the destination for after flood restoration tasks. As for the tough environment that flood disasters might have, it is the best choice for all urgent after flood restoration tasks for dampness. Its wide applicant include warehouse, shops, storage areas, industrial institutions, and garage applications and more. Generally, the default factory running time is 12 hours. So it is normal to display the total working time 1 to 12 hours when using the unit for the first time. Storm LGR Extreme 180 ppd, 28.3 gallons, Commercial Dehumidifier, Crawlspace and Basement Dehumidifying. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.